Stop struggling with unwanted distractions in your spreadsheet. If you want to learn how to disable Copilot in Excel and get a cleaner workspace, you're in the right place. This guide makes it incredibly simple. If you've recently updated Excel, you've probably noticed this new Copilot icon right in your home ribbon. While it's a powerful AI tool, it isn't for everyone. Maybe you find the suggestions distracting, you're concerned about performance on an older computer, or you simply prefer a more traditional workflow without AI assistance. That feeling of wanting to simplify your workspace is completely valid, and thankfully, Microsoft gives us the option to turn it off. Hey everyone, and welcome back to For Real. I'm Anna. If you've recently updated Excel, you've probably noticed this new Copilot icon right in your home ribbon. While it's a powerful AI tool, it isn't for everyone. Maybe you find the suggestions distracting, you're concerned about performance on an older computer, or you simply prefer a more traditional workflow without AI assistance. That feeling of wanting to simplify your workspace is completely valid, and thankfully, Microsoft gives us the option to turn it off. It's important to know that this process is completely reversible. So if you ever change your mind and want to bring Copilot back, you can do so in just a few clicks. In this video, I'll walk you through every step to disable it, and I'll even show you how to bring it back later if you need to. Let's get started and declutter your Excel. All right, step 1. With your Excel spreadsheet open, the very first thing you need to do is move your mouse to the top left corner of the screen and click on the File tab. This opens up the main Backstage view. Now, look down at the very bottom of the menu on the left-hand side. You'll see the Options button. This is the master control panel for customizing Excel. Go ahead and click on Options. This Excel options window can look a bit intimidating, but it's organized really well. On the left side panel, you'll see a list of categories. Near the top, right under Proofing, you should see an option for Copilot. Click on that to open the specific settings for the AI. Quick pause. If you're finding this tutorial helpful, please take a second to hit that like button. It really helps our channel and lets me know I'm making useful content for you. Okay, and here's a little bit of trivia for you. The original codename for Microsoft Excel back in the 1980s was Odyssey. It was created to be a powerful competitor to the then-dominant spreadsheet program Lotus 1-2-3. Now for that crucial final step. For the change to take effect, you must completely close and restart Microsoft Excel. Don't just close the file, close the entire application. I'm going to save my work, close Excel completely, and then open it back up. And here's the moment of truth. Once you've reopened Excel, look at the Home tab in your ribbon. You'll see the Copilot icon is still there, but now it should be grayed out and unclickable. That's how you know you've successfully disabled it. You've reclaimed your workspace. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you now know exactly how to disable Copilot in Microsoft Excel. No more unwanted distractions. You have full control over your interface, allowing you to focus on your data. And remember, if you ever want to turn it back on, you just follow the same steps and recheck that box. If you found this tutorial useful and want more time-saving tips for Excel and other Office tools, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss a video. Give this video a thumbs up if it helped you today. And I have a question for you. What other Excel feature do you find confusing or wish you could customize? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.